In his renowned book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, author Robert Kiyosaki introduces the concept of the cash flow quadrant, shedding light on the fundamental distinction between the rich and the poor. According to Kiyosaki, those on the left side of the quadrant work for money out of a need for security, while those on the right side work for freedom, aiming to escape a lifetime of toiling hard. Kiyosaki presents 8 key assets that have the potential to make individuals wealthy, providing them with the ability to break free from the never-ending cycle of work. Tired of sifting through endless financial information? The Finance Hub does the research for you. Subscribe now for daily insights and strategies that distill the most important financial concepts into 10 minutes of pure gold. Number 1. Business. Many of us have been fascinated by successful entrepreneurs, wondering how they manage to amass vast fortunes within a single lifetime. We might be inclined to believe that the ultra-rich are corrupt and heartless individuals who have never worked a day in their lives. However, this perception is the biggest mental obstacle that keeps us trapped in a life of poverty. Building a profitable business requires unwavering dedication and perseverance. Identifying a promising business idea and successfully scaling it into a multinational corporation is no small feat. Every self-made ultra-rich entrepreneur in the world, including notable figures like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Warren Buffett, has achieved their wealth through hard work. The difference between rich entrepreneurs and employees is akin to the difference between passive and active income. Entrepreneurs work diligently in the early years to create a business that eventually generates income independently, while employees continue to work hard throughout their lives. Entrepreneurs build assets that earn money for them, even when they are no longer actively involved, securing their own lives as well as the lives of their children. In contrast, employees often struggle financially and leave little to no inheritance for future generations. Number 2. Real estate. While starting a business is undoubtedly a powerful asset for accumulating wealth, it is not the sole path to financial success. Each individual comes from unique financial circumstances, and for many, the stability and security of a job with benefits are crucial for standing on their own feet. However, this doesn't mean that one must spend a lifetime toiling away for someone else. Breaking free from the rat race and achieving financial independence can still be accomplished by making the right investment decisions at the right time in one's life. Acquiring real estate may seem unattainable for those with average salaries, particularly in their younger years. This is where the concept of other people's money, OPM, as advocated by Kiyosaki, comes into play. OPM refers to borrowing money to invest in rental properties. These properties create a secondary income stream apart from one's 9-to-5 job, with rental income covering mortgage payments and other expenses, while also adding to one's own pocket. Moreover, real estate investments offer tax benefits, effectively reducing one's tax liabilities and freeing up more money for wealth creation. As individuals gradually acquire more rental properties, they become less reliant on their regular paychecks, eventually attaining financial freedom where their assets work for them, rather than the other way around. By adding multiple passive income streams along the way, individuals can create a robust portfolio that generates wealth to be passed on to future generations. Number 3. Paper assets. It is widely understood that businesses and real estate require substantial time and effort before yielding significant returns. However, not everyone has the luxury of extensive time or resources. In such cases, Kiyosaki presents an alternative route to financial freedom through paper assets. By developing disciplined spending habits, individuals can divert their hard-earned money from leisure activities to investments in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and government securities, GSECs. Each of these instruments carries its own level of risk, allowing individuals to choose based on their risk tolerance. These paper assets offer an opportunity to break free from the challenges of managing a business or real estate, while also allowing individuals to invest in the success of other profitable enterprises. The more individuals save and invest, the faster they can escape the confines of the 9-to-5 rat race, freeing up time to add additional passive income streams to their portfolio. Number 4. Commodities. The value of currency fluctuates constantly, as it is a man-made concept that holds value only because governments back it. Governments can print more money at will, rendering any single currency susceptible to depreciation. Therefore, relying solely on a single currency as a means of accumulating wealth is not advisable. To overcome this limitation, the ultra-rich diversify their portfolios by investing in what Kiyosaki refers to as God's money, commodities such as gold, silver, oil, and essential food grains. These commodities retain their value as they fulfill critical human needs. Food is necessary for survival, energy is essential for transportation and trade, and precious metals are used to store wealth. Unlike paper assets, commodities offer tangible value and are an excellent hedge against inflation. Therefore, diversifying one's investment portfolio to include commodities is a prudent strategy. Number 5. Time. The saying, "time is money," holds significant truth. Time is the most precious resource available to humankind. Money can come and go, but time, once lost, cannot be regained. Leveraging time to its fullest potential is essential for retiring rich. Young age is a valuable asset as it allows for more risks to be taken, knowing there is ample time ahead to recover from any setbacks. Renowned investor Warren Buffett, often referred to as the Oracle of Omaha, advises starting early to maximize wealth accumulation. Additionally, upgrading one's skills during leisure time can significantly impact future earnings and opportunities. The standard 5-day workweek leaves 2 days free to invest in personal growth. Instead of frittering away time on non-productive activities, individuals can utilize those hours to start a side hustle, enhance skills, pursue promotions, or follow their passions. These endeavors have the potential to lead to life-changing opportunities and significantly enhance one's financial position. Ultimately, accumulating wealth in any form creates a safety net for oneself and loved ones, offering protection against economic uncertainties. Number 6. Health. While effective time management is primarily a mental endeavor, maintaining physical fitness is crucial for achieving goals and ambitions. Neglecting personal health in youth by indulging in unhealthy eating habits, excessive alcohol consumption, or smoking can have detrimental effects on both current earnings and long-term well-being. Unhealthy habits erode wealth and can lead to substantial medical bills in old age. Conversely, investing in one's physical well-being allows for increased productivity, longevity, and quality time spent with family and loved ones. Number 7. Online assets. The advent of the digital era has opened up new opportunities for wealth creation through online assets. Starting a YouTube channel, for instance, requires no upfront cost and can be an excellent platform for sharing knowledge and skills with a wide audience. By leveraging one's expertise, individuals can provide valuable content and generate income through ad revenue and other monetization strategies. The same applies to other online assets, such as online courses, websites, blogs, and social media pages. As these online assets begin to generate sufficient income, individuals can even scale their endeavors into full-fledged businesses, expanding their income streams further through content upgrades, hiring employees, and participating in affiliate programs. The digital landscape offers immense potential for wealth creation and financial independence. Number 8. Network. Developing a personal brand and building a strong network is crucial for the success of any business, regardless of its size. While delivering quality work is essential, actively promoting oneself and seeking recommendations from satisfied clients can dramatically impact one's trajectory. For instance, starting a catering business provides opportunities to enlarge one's network with every event catered. If guests appreciate the service and the food, they are likely to recommend the caterer to friends and family, leading to a steady stream of new clients. Expanding one's network also opens doors to joint ventures, partnerships, and mentoring relationships, which can accelerate personal and professional growth. Additionally, maintaining relationships with like-minded individuals who share similar financial goals can provide valuable insights and support, creating a positive environment conducive to wealth accumulation. In conclusion, Robert Kiyosaki's cash flow quadrant offers valuable insights into the fundamental differences between the rich and the poor. By understanding the concept of assets and leveraging the right ones, individuals can break free from the cycle of working for money and instead make money work for them. Business, real estate, paper assets, commodities, time, health, online assets, and network are all crucial components of a wealth-building strategy. By diversifying income streams, making prudent investments, and maximizing the value of time, individuals can pave their path to financial independence, securing a prosperous future for themselves and their loved ones. That's a wrap for today's Finance Hub video. We hope you found our insights and strategies valuable for your financial journey. Remember to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our daily content. And if there's anything important we missed, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.